How to get fast shipping from Aliexpress. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will be covering how you can get fast shipping from Aliexpress. Now, this is especially helpful if you are trying to build your e-commerce store and if you're trying to start off with a drop shipping model, then it's very essential that you have fast shipping times. If you are even importing products to your own personal warehouse to store by yourself, still you do want to optimize your products to be able to receive them as quickly as possible. Now, there are a few ways that we can filter out products and find products that are going to be very price and cost efficient while still providing us with quick delivery time. So the quickest delivery time with AliExpress that you can get usually is 3 to 5 days. That's like one of their quickest ways to deliver products. You can't really expect like 1 day deliveries. Obviously, the product is going to be shipped internationally, so you need to manage your expectations a little as well. Now, the first thing you want to do whenever you are browsing for 1 day product or, products that are going to be delivered very quickly is that you don't want to set on one supplier. So, what you want to do is you want to browse AliExpress. Once you are browsing AliExpress, you can pick out the product that you like. Now, once you have a product that you like, make sure to just download the images of that specific product. So just do a right click and click on Save As, and then download the image. So you want to make sure if you can't download the image directly, just take a screenshot and then crop it out, because you want to find multiple different suppliers for the same product. So if I head on over to AliExpress, now you can do this on the mobile version of the application. You can't really do it on the browser version, which is basically to search via a image. So you want to make sure that you also do have the mobile version where you can do a cross image search. So you can search with a image. Now, it's very essential that you do this and you contact multiple suppliers for the same product as well. The reason for that is because the information listed on a product obviously is going to be pretty detailed. It's going to provide you with a lot of information, as much as they possibly can. However, there are certain details, renegotiations, or recalibrations that you can easily negotiate with the sellers. So you guys can see this is a product, and let's say I like this product, but their shipping time is 17 to 17 days. Now, they also have another shipping method available, which also is going to take 42 days. So what I would do in a situation like this is, you guys can see I've taken a screenshot. Now I'm just going to open up my screenshot and I'm going to crop the image. Just crop the image only to the section that you need. Once you do that, you can open this image up in the mobile device that you're using, and then you can do a cross image search, and this will pop up all the other results, all the related items or visually similar items of that product. So you can open up the visually similar items, and once you have the visually similar items, you can take a look at their estimated delivery date. So you guys can see this also has a shipping day of 20 to 40 days. I don't want that, so I'm going to keep on browsing with similar products. These also have pretty high or long delivery dates, so I'm just going to go on ahead, keep on browsing. It's usually made a lot easier once you are doing a image search. Now, another great way to filter out the products that you want is by searching for this specific type of product you want. So let's say, for example, I want to buy slippers, so I'm just going to search for slippers. Now, what you can do is you can see the price, you have all of these filters, and you will see your super deals. Now, with each individual item, you get the specific welcome deals. You have multiple different shipping options as well. So usually the top rated products have multiple different shipping options. You can click on the shipping method. This one only has one shipping method. Now you want to make sure you're selecting the location that you're going to set up your business in. So let's say I want to establish a dropshipping store where I'm going to ship to Canada. So for that, I'm going to ship to Canada, and you have the delivery dates for that specific or that particular country as well. Now, on the right side of your screen, you're going to find different options, like the different variations you want, brands, the specific categories you want as well. And you can also filter these products up by price. So first off, you want to select 4 stars and up, and then you can also select free shipping. Now, what this allows you to do is find the products that are offering free shipping, and usually those products offer a quicker shipping time with a paid shipping option. So they usually have a paid shipping variant as well. Now, for a lot of these products, they only have one shipping variant. This might vary from different locations. So you guys can see this one has multiple different options. So we have quicker ways. We have 1 August, 27 July. So this is like a really quick delivery time. And if you're establishing a drop shipping store, obviously you're going to be charging more. And then you can also include some additional sign up fees. You can include additional delivery fees to provide the product earlier to your customers. Now, I won't recommend that you do this method if you are warehousing your own product. If you're warehousing your own products, you want to order in advance. But if you ever find yourself in a loop, if you're ever in a rut where you need the product urgently and you don't want to pay an exorbitant amount just to get your product to your warehousing facility, then I do have a quick resolution for that as well. If you are in that kind of situation, the best way to get out of that is to contact the supplier directly. So this is the supplier information. You usually can find a lot of supplier information from Aliexpress directly, and you want to send them a message. So you can either find their message, you usually can see they have their WhatsApp numbers, they have their email addresses listed on Aliexpress. So what you want to do is preferably contact them on WhatsApp or via email, and then just be like, hey, I want to place a bulk order with you, and I would be willing to pay pretty high to get my product shipped to me as soon as possible. What could be the earliest time, or what kind of location could you provide me the product earliest in? If you are in direct contact, instead of buying off of Aliexpress, you're buying from them directly, you take the method of purchase off of Aliexpress, you usually can get a better deal, and you can also get quicker delivery dates for your product. So these are the different ways that you can find multiple different products for a small delivery time. So let's say we want to buy something like tripod. I can just search for tripod over here. I have the best match, and I also have the ship from date. Now, some of these products are going to be hosted in the United States or Turkey, where these AliExpress suppliers basically have created their own warehouses. So if you're looking to establish your own dropshipping store in the United States, then you can click on over here and find the products which are already present in the United States, and this will give you a very quick delivery time. You can also just reset this and click on fast delivery over here in the filter options to find the products that are offering fast delivery and the multiple different pricing variations as well. So you guys can see if I buy a bulk order of 5 or more, I can get free delivery as well in addition to my fast delivery. So that is a great way that you can find different options for quicker delivery times on AliExpress. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.